Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 3. Today, do you remember students what we have learned in the last session of grammar? Yes, we have learned about, we have started with verbs. Okay, so verb tells us, what does verb tells us? Verb tells us that they are doing words, they are action words. What a person does, that is called verbs. And next, in the next lesson we have seen that verb always tells us something about a person, place, animal or thing, what they possess, that we have learned in the last session, that was have, has and had. Today we are going to see, we are in the same topic, that is verbs, but we are going to see about the words was and verb. How is the usage of these verbs was and verb? First, in the first session we have learned is, am, as, is, am, as, are, and next we have learned have, has, had, and now today we are going to see about was and were. So was and were are also verbs. They tells us about they tells us what person, animals or things are sometimes what they have done, means it is used whenever the things have been finished, means past tense we can say. So was is used in front of the singular noun and were is used in the front of the plural noun. Now we will read the sentences, then you will come to know how is the usage of was and were. Now read the sentences given below. Jyoti was a good student. Can you see these sentences, students? We are on lesson number 18, was, were, page number 53, Fun with Grammar book. Jyoti was a good student. The children were polite. Now here we can see was and were. What are they? Yes, they are verbs. Now we will read some more sentences to understand their usage. How the verb was is used and how the verb were is used. Now I am going to read the 6 sentences. I was sad when I lost my pet. Again I'll read. I was sad when I lost my pet. Next, the classroom was big. Richa was a sweet girl. It was sunny yesterday. Vivek was ill. He was an honest man. Now here we can see which verb is used in all the sentences, students. Yes, was, was, and was is used in front of the noun or pronoun. We can see over here, students, and they are all singular. I is singular, classroom, Richa, it, Vivek, and he is a pronoun. Understood? So in front of the with the singular noun we are going to use was with the singular noun or pronoun. Which verb is used, students? Yes, was, was. Now next, were. If you want, write it down there. Then, now next, were. So opposite to this, whenever there is plural noun or pronoun, we are going to use were. And in that, what you have to keep in your mind? Y-O-U. Okay? U doesn't tell us whether it is a singular or plural. So in front of you, we are going to use the verb W-E-R-E, were. Now we are going to read some sentences which include the verb were. They were happy when they won the match. Can you see a they? Yes, it shows plural noun. We were very tired after the match. We, Vinit and Aman, were hungry. 2 persons are there. 2 boys. You were late for the party. Those books were torn. They were not at home in the evening. There were no children in the library yesterday. Now here if you see, all the sentences is of plural noun. Got it, students? Okay, so nothing is there in this lesson. When it is singular noun or pronoun, that time you have to use was, and when it is plural noun, pronoun, what we are going to use? Yes, and we are going to use were, also with Y-O-U. Okay? So now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to solve the exercise. Are you ready, students? Next, exercise A. There was nothing in this lesson, only you have to keep in your mind when you are going to use was and when you are going to use were. If you have understood the usage of have, has, had, is, am, are, so this will also be easy. Now this was and were. Now Mohan was Mohan was oblique were an intelligent student. Wait, I'll make it big. They have told us to choose, so I'll just make a tick for that. So Mohan was oblique were an intelligent student. So it is telling about a single person, Mohan. So I'll tick was. They was in the park in the evening. They tells us that there are many persons or many people. So they were. Be fast. Last December was oblique were the coldest month of the year. It is telling about a single month. Yes or no? So it is a singular. I lost the cycle which was gifted by my mother. Yes, it is also a singular. Cycle is a single. Meena was absent yesterday. It is talking about Meena, a single girl, so was. Tina were unwell last week. Yes, Tina again, a single girl, singular, so was. Chetan and Pia. Now here you can see two persons. Yes or no? Chetan and Pia. One boy and one girl. So it is a plural. So I am going to use were. Vinit were in pain when he hurt himself. So again, Vinit is a singular. So I am going to use was. Understood, student? Okay? Next. I hope that you have done the tick over that. Now we are going to do exercise B. I hope that there is no confusion of the usage of was and were. Now, ready students to solve exercise B? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with was or were. So what you are going to do, you will read the sentence. First you will see whether the subject is in a singular form or in a plural form, and according to that you are going to use the verbs was and were. Ready? The books dash interesting. The books. So books is what? Plural. So I am going to write the books were interesting. Meera dash 7 years old when we met her last year. W will be small. Meera is a single girl, so W-A-S was. The sky dash cloudy in the morning. Yes, this again singular. The children, yes, it is plural. Were. Got it? How I am writing the usage of was and were. Now the woodcutter. Woodcutter, an honest man. The woodcutter is a single person. Was. The cartoon dash funny. Again the cartoon single. I hope that you are writing with me. Yes, it is very easy, so I am going fast. The class dash noisy. Again the class is singular, so I am using was. Veena dash late. Veena is single girl, again was. 9th and 10th I will solve. Just write down this. Be first. First is were, second was, third was, were, again fourth one, fifth is was, sixth is was, seventh again was, eighth again was. Understood, student, how I have used this was and were? Okay, I hope that you have finished till 8th. Now we will just see 9th and 10th. Those girls. Now those girls. Girls means what? Singular or plural? Yes, it is a plural. So I am going to write were. The stars dash covered with clouds at night, last night, and could not be seen. So stars is also a, what is this? See, plural. Can you see this? Yes. This shows it is in singular or plural form. So that is in a plural form. Understood, student? So what is there in this lesson? Yes, we have learned about the verb was and verb. Okay, so was and verb is also verbs. They are also verb, and they tells us what person, animals and things were some time ago, about the past tense. What it, students? So now I am going to move on to the next lesson, that is lesson number 19, short forms. Ready, students? See next page, that is 55. Lesson number 19. That is also a very short lesson. So we are on page 55, that is lesson number 19, short forms. Now what is this short forms? Okay, we all like to go shortcuts, yes or no? So instead of writing the words in full, we are going to use a short form in this lesson. Means we are going to learn the short forms in this lesson. How the verb and how the noun and verb are attached to each other, how they have been written in a short form. So here nothing is there, you have to just learn how it is. Okay, so we'll first start with our sentences. So read these sentences. I am going to school. Now here you can see, students, instead of this I am, how is the way? I am going to school. Second is I am going to school. So in the first sentence I am, and in the second sentence I am is in the short form. Okay, so what is the difference in this? The second sentence has used the short form of I am. Understood, student? This is only one example. We are going to see more example how we have to use the short forms of the words. Are you ready, students, to learn? Okay, in this lesson, so make a big star, and what does the big star indicates? That you have to learn that, and that is important for you for that lesson, particular lesson. Now here are some short forms. Now here you can see he is, she is. So how they have written? She apostrophe s, means this is. So this I is has been dropped, and instead of that I, they have used apostrophe s. Got it, students? Okay, same way he is. So he, in this he is, I has been dropped, and after he they have used apostrophe then s. Again here they are. They, here we can see a has been dropped, the first word has been dropped, then apostrophe and then re. Same way here we, then a has been dropped, then apostrophe, then re. What they have done? They have dropped the first word and they have used apostrophe, okay, for short form. And in this way she is. So whenever you will see these words in your any of the line or in textbook, so you can know what is that. So this indicates she is, he is, they are, and we are. Now next, he will. Here we will see in the future tense they have dropped two words, that is wi, W-I, W-I and W-I. He will means apostrophe and then double L. She apostrophe double L. They apostrophe double L. We apostrophe double L. And this way they have used the short form of the words. I hope that you have understood this 8 words, how they have used the short form for the words. Understood, students? Okay. Now based on this we will solve our exercise A. Have you done this star mark? Now it is very easy. Only you have to match the words with the short forms. If you are confirmed with these words, then you will be able to solve these words on your own. Ready? You have to match it. So instead of matching, if I will do matching, it will look all messy. Okay, it will not look good. So what I am going to do, here one number is there and here A, B, C, D, E, E. So I am going to write over here answer. Okay, for example 1. Now 1, I am. So what is the short form of I am? Here in the E I can see. So I will write E. Okay, you also write this way. Next, we are. We are. So how we are going to write short form? We are going to take out this first A apostrophe R E. Same is there? Yes, it is on 8th. So write that 2 D. Third, you are. Yes, you are was not in this, but we will make it short form. What I am going to do? First letter I am going to take out. I am going to put apostrophe and AR. You can see this in F. So I will write here third F. Fourth, he will. Yes, A. Now you find out, students, where is fifth one? They will. Yes, very good. It is on G. Fifth is, answer of fifth is G. Sixth, they are. Very good. It is on C. Seventh, he is. Yes, is B. Now see whether all we have finished. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Means all we have taken. Means all our answers are right. Got it, students? So shall I move on to the next? Next is, we often add NOT not to some words and form. Now we will see how it has been formed. Okay, we often add NOT not to some words and form. Is not, are not, were not, was not, will not, had not, have not, has not. Now we will see how these words has been made short in the next page. See, is not, isn't it, isn't, wasn't, aren't, won't, hasn't, weren't, haven't and hadn't. So instead of all these, what we are going to do? Yes, is not. It is actually is not. Isn't it? We say no. Okay. So here also we can see where they have put the apostrophe, not in the, they have not dropped the first word, but the O they have dropped. Can you see? In all the word not, they have dropped O and they have put apostrophe. Now here what you can see? For will, see, is not, yes, after N they have made apostrophe. Was not, was they have written, and what they have not given space. It has been merged, it has been mixed. So wasn't, N apostrophe T. Same way for aren't. Will not, yes, it will be won't. Make it a star. Make it this as a big star. So make it will not. So will not, you will not write. You are not going to write willn't like this. This will go wrong. So for this what you have to write? Yes, W-O-N-T, won't. Here also we can see same. Has not, After N you are going to put apostrophe. Were not. After N you are going to put apostrophe. Have, hadn't. Got it? Only this is different. Just make it a star. So you can keep in your mind when this word will come. Done, students? So we'll move on for the exercise. They are not coming today. Yes. So, shall I start, students? What they have told in exercise B, that you have to write these sentences. Rewrite these sentences. Means you have to write the sentence again using the short form of the words in bold. So, whichever words you find here in bold, that words you have to make it short. And then you have to again rewrite that sentence. I'll make it little big. How many examples are there? 8. So ready to solve, students? I hope that you have understood. You can solve before me also. Okay. They are not coming today. So they are not. So how I am going to write? Are of apostrophe T. Coming today. Then last, full stop. Vivan will not go to the party. Yes. So, for will not, what I told you, students? Won't. Won't go to the party. Next, he is not my neighbor. He isn't my neighbor. For this, whatever words were upside, that learn it, then only you will be able to do. He is doing his homework. Now here we can see he is a positive sentence. So he, I will drop and I'll write is doing his homework. I am a good singer. Yes. In the first example itself, they have told you how to use a short form of I am. I am a good singer. Right? S small, as we are in the middle of the sentence. Chalo, write till here, till 5. Done? So that I can move to the 6 and 7 and 8. It is very easy. Whatever words are bold, only that thing you have to write it half, short form. Ready? Next, when I went to his house, he was not at home. So when, same copy the same sentence down. When I went to his house, he wasn't at home. Now here, students, you can see we have made the words bold for you, so it becomes easy for you to write in shortcut. She will. So she, sorry, 2 words are going to be dropped. She will perform at the function. Done? We are not playing cricket. Yes, we aren't. N, wherever O is there apostrophe will come. Cricket. I hope that you have understood how I have finished. Write the full form of these short forms. What is exercise C? That you have to write the full forms of this short form. Means they have given the short forms and we have to write the full forms. Whatever we have learned in the 2 blocks, that we have to write over here. I hope that you have finished exercise 1 to 8, exercise B 1 to 8, so that I can move on to exercise C. Yes, students? Shall I move? Okay. Write the full form of these short forms. Chalo, you try till I rub the board. You try first. At least 4 you can finish till I finish my book. Start first. What is the first? Isn't. So what will come? You can take the help of that boxes where we have made a star. Ready? Isn't. So instead of this apostrophe, now we are going to, from short form we are going to make a full form. So is not. And when we are making full form, you can see here the gap is there. Here no gap is there. He will. Sorry, we after first we move on to second is here. You are. You are. These are 2 words. So there will be a space between 2 words. So when we are making short form, becomes a 1 word. He will. He will. I apostrophe am shows I am. Won't, yes. Will, space and then not. They are shows, they apostrophe shows that A-R-E, are. Next, are, aren't. So what is the full form of that? Yes, are not. Last is wasn't. Very good. Next last is was not. And I hope that you have enjoyed with this lesson, because this lesson was very easy. Wherever I have told you to make a star mark, that you have to learn that. Now I know you are excitedly waiting for the animation part of both the lesson. So first, which lesson we have finished, students? Yes, we have finished with the verbs, that is lesson number 18, was and verb. Have you finished this? So we can move forward.
Kitty was one. Read the sentences given below. Jyoti was a good student. The children were polite. Was and were are verbs. Let us read few sentences to understand their uses. Was. I was sad when I lost my pet. The classroom was big. Richa was a sweet girl. It was sun yesterday. Vivek was ill. He was an honest man. Were. They were happy when they won the match. We were very tired after the match. Winnie and Anu were hungry. You were late for the party. Those books were torn. They were not at home in the evening. There were no children in the library yesterday. Let's revise. Was and were are verbs. They tell us what persons, animals and things were some time ago.
And this way we have finished with our lesson number 18. We will see the next lesson number 19, animation part.
Chapter 19. Short forms. Read these sentences. I am going to school. I'm going to school. In sentence 1, we use I am. In sentence 2, we use am. I is the short form of I am. We use some short forms while writing. Here are some more short forms. She is, she's. He is, he's. They are, they're. We are, we're. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. They will, they'll. We will, we'll. We will add not to some words and will. Is not, will not, are not, have not, were not, have not, was not, has not. Their short forms are written as is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, are not, aren't, will not, won't, has not, hasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, have not, hadn't.
So in this way we have finished our 19th lesson. Also I hope that you have enjoyed with both the lessons. So wherever I have told you to make a star over here, so this you have to write 2 times in your rough note book. Thank you. Have a good day.